Let's talk about some unique side hustles that you can try in 2025. And number one on the list is AI trainer / AI annotator. Okay, you're probably like, what is that? That sounds very fancy. Don't I have to have a fancy degree for that? No, you actually don't. So what you really do as an AI trainer / AI annotator is that you review and evaluate AI generated content, which can be both written or visual content. And your job is to ensure quality and accuracy. So for example, if an AI generator creates an image of, let's say, a woman, you just want to make sure that if she has feet instead of hands, you flag that and train the AI to actually have hands instead of feet. That's a very dumb way of explaining that, but that's literally what it is. So the earning potential for this role can be anywhere between $15 to $25 for general knowledge, or if you have specialized knowledge in areas such as medicine, technology, legal, and things like that, you can sometimes make upward of $60 per hour. So I actually recently did one of those gigs and realized that was actually pretty simple. You can find these AI trainer / AI annotators, sometimes they're also called AI tutor jobs, on just regular platforms such as LinkedIn, which is where I found my gig, Indeed, Glassdoor, or whatever is the job board that you commonly use. So most of these roles are pretty entry level. If you're just doing general knowledge, they usually don't require any specialized skills. Some jobs require a bachelor's degree, but there are plenty of them that don't even require one. And the nice thing is that those gigs can be pretty flexible. I know the one that I did, they would allow you to work up to 40 hours per week, but if you want to work less, that's fine as well. And you can build your own schedule, which once again provides a lot of flexibility. So that can be a pretty cool gig to check out. All right, so next on the list is podcast editing and transcription. So obviously so many people have really successful podcasts these days, or there are more and more people who are starting new podcasts every day. And as we all know, one of the most common things that creators tend to outsource is editing. So in terms of the earning potential as a podcast editor, you can earn anywhere between $50 to $300 per episode, sometimes even more if it's a really big podcast. And the nice thing is that you don't need that much skill. It's not like YouTube videos where sometimes you do need to have pretty advanced video editing skills.
And the cool thing is that nowadays with platforms such as Riverside, editing has become a much less of a complicated process. In fact, with Riverside, you can utilize the power of AI to edit your audio and video-based content in half as much time as it normally takes. You can utilize features such as text-based editing, automatic filler word removal, and automatic silence detector to significantly expedite your editing process and make sure that you are delivering high-quality content in no time. I've actually been utilizing Riverside pretty heavily this year, and I noticed that it made my content creation process so much easier and more efficient. So if you want to try Riverside, whether it is for your own content or if you want to become a podcast editor, make sure to use code ChristinaSH to get 15% off of your subscription.
So if you love listening to podcasts and have basic editing skills, this could be a really great side hustle for you. And you can find those gigs on Fiverr, where you can create a profile as a podcast editor or video editor, as well as you can also directly reach out to different podcasters and creators on platforms like YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts. So yeah, make sure to check out that side hustle. So next on our list is social media management for small businesses. So pretty much what you can do is you can manage and grow social media for small business owners, such as local restaurants, beauty shops, fitness studios, and so on and so forth. And I know you're probably thinking like, wait, Christina, that's not a very unique side hustle. Well, it can be these days if you use AI. So as we all know, there's so many different AI content creators that can actually help you to create way more content or simplify the content creation process, which can also allow you to take on way more clients. In terms of the earning potential, it is very common to make a few $100s from each client. And I know actually a lot of people who are professional social media managers and have multiple clients that they are working with, which allow them to scale their business to 6 figures per year. The great thing about social media management is that a lot of times you can literally just create a bunch of content in the same day and schedule all that content out through platforms such as Planoly or Buffer, which can then potentially even make this source of income pretty passive. So yeah, if you are younger or you understand how social media works and you love creating content but don't want to show your face or don't want to make it about you, becoming a social media manager can be a very lucrative side hustle.
Which, by the way, go follow me on Instagram because I would love to be friends.
And the next on our list is affiliate marketing through short form content. So we all heard how you can generate affiliate income through things like TikTok Shop, Instagram Shop, and even YouTube now allows you to link different products and help you earn affiliate income. So this side hustle is actually perfect if you want to have a faceless account where you don't really show your face, but just show different products. There's so many successful accounts such as Amazon Finds or similar types of accounts where people showcase different products and include their affiliate links. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I've definitely been influenced by a lot of those TikTok videos and have made a lot of purchases because of those videos. videos. So in terms of the earning potential, this can really vary, right? Just depending on like the traffic and how many people actually end up purchasing the product. But you can make anything from a few dollars per month all the way to tens of thousands of dollars per month if your video goes viral. So if you're like me and you want to offset your shopping addiction, this can be a really great side hustle to explore in 2025. And so number 5 on our list is renting out extra space in your house on platforms such as neighbor.com. So if you have no idea what I'm talking about, platforms like neighbor.com allow you to rent out your unused space in your home, such as your garage, closet, or attic, for people to store their things or park their cars. So in terms of their earning potential, it obviously all depends on the area that you live in, the demand, and the amount of space that you have. Like for example, where I live right now, which is in the Las Vegas area, some people are renting out the extra space in their garage or like extra parking spots for close to $300. So I'm actually in the process of renting out the extra parking spot in my garage since we're just a 1-car household and we have a 2-car garage. An extra $200 to $300 can actually offset my mortgage pretty nicely, and it doesn't really require any work. However, let's say if you don't have an entire parking spot but have extra space in your garage for people to store their stuff, or you want to get an attic or basement, there's so many storage facilities around here that actually charge a pretty decent amount of money, and a lot of people are looking for cheaper ways to store their things. This once again can be a great way to generate some passive income while helping out your neighbors. The nice thing about renting out your space through neighbor.com is that they do provide liability insurance and you are protected in case something was to go wrong. So if you're curious about the side hustle, I will make sure to include the link down below. Anyway, if you like this video, I think you're gonna like this one as well. And in general, if you enjoy content about side hustles and different ways that you can make money online, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!